So you're thinking of moving to Bradenton? Hi, I'm Wendy Lynn with the Wendy Lynn Group. We sell real estate here in Sarasota and Manatee County. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Waterlefe and Bradenton, and then show you the neighborhood and all of the amenities from above. There are maintenance-free options at Waterlefe, including low-rise condominium units and golf villas, which range in size from 2 to 4 bedrooms and floor plans that measure between 1,200 and over 4,000 square feet of interior space. Waterlefe single-family homes range in the size from 2 to 7 bedrooms on floor plans that measure between 1,400 square feet all the way over 6,000 square feet of interior space. The architectural design at Waterlefe mixes the Spanish, colonial, and Mediterranean styles. Amenities in Waterlefe include a swimming pool, modern fitness center, fine dining, and social clubs, golf course, and river marina with 59 slips. Now let's take a look at some of the drone footage we have for you. If you liked our video on Waterlefe and Bradenton and would like to see more videos regarding Sarasota and Manatee County, please like, subscribe, and comment below. For the latest homes for sale, go to sunnysarasotahomes.com. I've included a link for the latest available Waterlefe real estate in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you need to sell or want to buy, just say when.